We were really excited when DC approached us to build the ultimate motocross truck. Along with DC's marketing team, we came up with a great collaboration on this vehicle.
We're gonna take the panels off, and then from there, we're gonna accomplish all the stuff that we want inside, which is the box, all the storage. The first thing we gotta do is take the panels off. So far we have our first piece right now, and then from there we're going to put the toolbox and build a couple shells. So we're going to start bending metal and install it on the vehicle.
Basically what we're putting on here is our Pro Series 2.5 front, coilover remote reservoir setup. It's going to give it a lot better off-road performance and all around makes it look a lot better.
Alright, now that we see that everything fits on the truck, we're going to take it apart and weld all those pieces on the panel. It's going to be ready for line A.
So we teamed up with Line-X and coated the entire vehicle inside and out to make it the most ultimate rugged vehicle on the planet. We added a Warren winch on the roof, capped off with some KC lights. We also have an air compressor, so it can be used to fill up the tires and the bike. This truck has taken us 3 weeks and a ton of man hours. Together with Toyota and DC, I think we built the ultimate motocross truck.